When you think about your business, a lot of people think about just the early setup. Got my documents together, I'm good to go, right? Yes and no. A lot of business needs ongoing support. They want to make sure that they got a partner on their side who's looking at all their contracts, reviewing all their documents, drafting contracts, speaking to their providers or speaking to their other business associates to make sure that everybody's on the same page. Business is just fraught with inherent risk. At the end of the day, that's just the name of the game. And to continue to be successful in your business, you need a partner to make sure that you're doing things right. Because oftentimes people do things wrong, or they get started and they say, oh, I'll go back and fix it. And by the time they go back and fix it, it might be too late. You might be facing a penalty, a issue that comes up. That's where we come in. We would like for you to understand what our strategic velocity blueprint is. Now, a strategic velocity blueprint is a plan that allows you to have the guidance and support that you need through the life of your business. It's a membership model that we have for our clients who stay on and who want to be long-term clients with us so that they can get their contracts and their documents reviewed. The idea and the name of the game here is avoidance. We want to avoid fines. We want to stop litigation before it starts so that we can avoid issues. You want to know and make sure that you're in compliance. Heck, you want to make sure that you've got a plan. How are you making sure that you're adhering to the regulations that you desperately need to adhere to? You don't want to be caught red handed doing something that you could have avoided. You need a sounding board to ask a lot of questions to make sure that you're continually doing things right. You know, business owners are great at what they do, making money, doing the skill, selling the product that they have. But oftentimes they're not so great at handling legal issues for their business. They're not so great at resolving issues before they escalate. They're not so great at keeping things at bay before they erupt on them. That's where the strategic velocity blueprint has your back. And depending on what membership in that velocity blueprint, you get certain levels of support. Because at the end of the day, we're here to help you retain and save as much money for your business as possible so you can continue to grow. Very hard to grow when you have fines and regulations and shutdowns preventing you from getting there. Things that you should have known, things that you could have avoided, fines that did not need to happen because you just didn't have a partner there with you. An attorney will help you get started, but to have that ongoing support, that really is a membership opportunity. And we're here to help you. Most large organizations, they have attorneys at 200,000, 300,000, $1 million a year. That's for at least multi-million, billion-dollar companies. But for the small business, they need ongoing support too. And oftentimes they don't reach out to people because they think, oh my goodness, I'm going to have these huge legal fees that are hourly, that are very hard to control, that can't even, figure out why it's this or that. Our strategic velocity blueprint is designed to be a flat rate that you get a certain amount of hours, you get a certain amount of communication and connection and guidance so that you can make the right decision, that you get what you need based on the plan that you have, and that we can support you at that plan depending on what you pick. So if you are looking to grow and scale your business, or you're an entrepreneur who just really wants to take this seriously, you're like, look, I got my stuff, but I really don't want to be shut down like so many other businesses. I'm interested in getting that velocity blueprint, the strategic velocity blueprint, because we all need support. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.